These are the ingredients that are required in this recipe. For vegetables, you can take long beans, green peas, carrot, either baby corn or yellow corn. You have coconut milk and noodles. And we have garlic, which is mashed. Pour oil, let it heat for some time. Add garlic to it. Let it saute for a minute or so. Then add ginger to it. This will all be on a medium flame. When you get the aroma, add the green chilies. Now start add carrots, vegetables, that is carrots, long beans. Let it cook for some time on a medium flame. After 30 to 40 seconds, you can add the boiled peas, green peas, and the corn to this, and let it saute for 10 seconds. Now you can add the coconut milk slowly. Coconut milk will be around 400 ml. To this we'll add a few drops of soya sauce. A pinch of sugar. And let it cook for 5 minutes. Then pour the Burmese Khow Suey. And for the garnishing, we are using fried groundnut, fried onions, a little bit of lemon, and coriander leaves.
That's how the final dish looks like.